Hey there, Spicer fans. Welcome to the Bantam Jeep Heritage Festival. I'm Randall Spear, manager, Dana Performance Aftermarket. We're here to celebrate the legacy of the Wrangler, which began in 1940. A lot has changed since then, so let's go in and check out some really cool Jeeps. The evolution of the Bantam Jeep happened quickly. Within 7 years, we had our first Jeep trucks. Behind me is a beautifully restored example of one of those early models, which led the way to a bunch of future models, which are featured down this row. The latest addition to the Jeep legacy is the Wrangler JT pickup truck, and we happen to have two of them here at the show. Check out more of our cool parts for your JK, your JL, or your JT at danaaftermarket.com, and be sure to follow us at Spicer Parts.